To download the free version of Photoshop from Adobe, you will need an Adobe ID or profile. So sign in. And on the left we have download apps. Here we have Photoshop, download trial, I've downloaded it previously, but I haven't installed it until now. So I've just downloaded the second version. I'm going to double click this. Sign in. Okay, so it's asking us to sign in again. Your skill level. My skill level with Photoshop is, let's say, beginner. I am a teacher, facility staff. I am downloading Photoshop CC for myself. Continue. Start installing. Okay, I'm going to pause this video. Some 15 minutes later, Photoshop has installed and opened. Up here on the right hand side you can see there is a counter and it says 7 days left in the trial. So this is a 7-day trial of Photoshop.